Assalamu alaikum everybody, we're back again. Mosman Oil and Gas have released another set of news. Current share price 0.032 GBX, 1 month chart we're up 6%, 6 month up 6%, year to date up 6%. So obviously, the gains are not that high if you were holding since the start of the year, but if you were start of the year till the peak, 130%. But let's see what news they've released today. We can go into RNS. Quite a big one, I'd say. We have a notice of AGM and posting of circular. And the important thing to note here is that I have seen that Mosman will indeed be changing the name of the company. So this important point right here, subject to shareholder approval and registration, the company's name will change to Quantum Helium Limited. So this may be the last video I actually called Mosman, as they're changing the name to Quantum Helium Limited, with a proposed new AIM ticker QHE as well. Further announcement will be made. Then we also got some other information about some direct compensation in terms of getting shares and stuff like that. Then, the executive chairman of Mosman has said this year marks a significant milestone as Mosman completes a strategic transition to become Quantum Helium Limited. Now, Quantum Helium sounds like quantum computing, AI, all this stuff. So, and helium as well, because I thought with Sagebrush they were still going to be looking for oil as well with the dual well test. So I think the main focus will be helium, but I'm pretty sure they'll carry on with some of the oil activities. Focused on helium exploration and development in North America, the proposed share awards align management with shareholders during this next growth phase, while the new name reflects the company's sharpened identity and ambition in the energy transition sector. So this was going to be happening when this needs to pass on the 7th of November, so about a month. But I'm hoping before that we do get the updates on the 3D seismics and the extended well test as well. As you know, the previous RNS did state towards that. This one here on the 22nd of September. So yeah, and even on the last update by the CEO, he mentioned about it, I'm pretty sure. Look, including the start of the 3D seismic over Sagebrush in October. So we're coming up to actually like the second week of October now. And we haven't had any news on this. That was supposed to start, so hopefully it has. And the extended well test on Sagebrush 1. So yeah, those two key drivers are still waiting to be announced. I'm hoping more news next week, because I'm hoping that they just use this week to, sort out the AGM and change their name. But that shouldn't take too long to do, to be honest, in terms of writing that up. So yeah, a lot of updates to happen still in Q4. Current market cap, we'll check, it's still pretty small for what Mosman have. Current market cap, we can see here 7.91 million. So still a relatively small compared to its helium peers that are also in North America. So yeah, guys, just wanted to make this a quick video. I know in the Mosman share chat, a lot of nice research has been coming along. You can see, I think the guy is called Reddit investor, name's Mike. Posted some good research here. So this one here, if you guys take a look at this, a lot of information here about the potential on Sagebrush and Coyote Wash that Mosman have working interests in. This is something you guys can look up at your own time. So look here, he's done some graphs and some tables with the amount of helium and showing you how much potential value that could be for Mosman as well. So yeah, take a look at that at your own time. But Mosman Oil and Gas, one to watch. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming weeks. I'm expecting a lot more updates. So yeah, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about Mosman. Current share price, 0.03. Year-end target at least 0.05, I'd say, above the previous placing price of 0.045. So yeah, let's see how that goes along. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And peace.